Hi there, welcome to this amazing video. Today's video is going to be informative and I hope you will like it and you will learn something new. So today I am going to introduce you to a new AI based website that allows you to colorize your old photo just by one click. So within 10 seconds you will be able to colorize your old photos and use them as you like. So subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel. The website today I'm going to introduce you is called imagecolorize.com. Go to the Google, write the website name, open the website link, and here you can see a lot of options. We're going to use AI colorize option today. Click on the AI colorize option. Click on the upload photo. Upload your photos. I have downloaded some samples already and I am uploading this girl holding a teddy bear, and let's see what quality and what kind of results this gives us. So I'm uploading this photo and it's processing, and now I am allowed to download the photo. I just click the download button and it's opened it in new tab. The colors are very beautiful and I like it very much. I hope you have learned something new today. Subscribe to my channel for new upcoming videos. Thank you very much.